With the gang, out with the mob, what was you thinking?
Hey, what's up guys? It's your buddy Turkey back with another video of Bullet Force. And I hope you're having a great day. I'm having a wonderful day. Very great day. We are going to be playing this game because I need to. Okay, that's good. This will be very good. Hope you guys can hear me well. Just go down in the comments and tell me if you can hear me. Hopefully you can. Yeah, look at these graphics now, guys. Way better. Oh god, hopefully um hopefully you can hear that. Hopefully you can. I can't hear it. It's probably because I'm recording. But hope you're having a great day. Remember to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications because it means an awful lot to me. Just going and trying to find these kids. Oh, jeez. The heck? This is weird. Okay, buddy. Remember to go watch my last video? It was uploaded like a day ago. Remember to watch that? Oh, that'd be cool if you could break that. But you can't. Sorry if my commentary is very bad. I'm just sort of new to this. Okay, buddy. I didn't know it was like Call of Duty where you can shoot through walls. I'm not trying to move because it's like the moving sound. And I'm pretty sure that's up. I don't know why. It's not. Come here, boy. Oh my god, I'm literally garbage. I don't know. Oh my god. The sensitivity. Trying to find this guy. I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. Okay. Okay, buddy. We all suck at this game. Okay. Okay. This is weird. Oh, it's 2v2? That's just sad. Oh my god. I'm literally spraying. Everyone get down on the ground. Just kidding. Oh yeah, boy. If this video can get to 2 likes, maybe 3, I will play PUBG. Cause you know why not? Why not? Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. This guy's following me. Do I even have sound? Oh, come on, boy. McDonald's? Like, really? Shout out to Jacksepticeye. Where are these boys? This guy's just following me. This map is too small. Okay, if I died there, I'd be so mad. Come on. Where is everyone?
Hi, how are you?
Enemy killed. I might play some fork knife. What the? Okay, yeah, we've lost. I need to use AR. Enemy killed. I got him. At this point, I don't even know where people are. Oh, I thought he died. Kill him, teammate. Jeez. Enemy UAV inbound. I died! This kid's using a sniper though. Get him. Oh my god, why does that... Oh, bro. This is, like, really dumb. Like, oh my god. Rank 70? Chillax, bro. I'm not even good at this game. Bro, I'm itching my nose, bruh. Bruh. Where did he go? Ah! I can't. Do I even have teammates? I do have teammates. I can't do this. This guy's too good. Or it's just because I suck. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys, I literally suck at this game. I'm ending this video after this game. So it's under 15 minutes. Okay, well, hello. Hit your shots, kid. I'm not number 1 anymore. Oh wait, no I am. I don't think I am anymore. No, I am. I still am. I'm the best. No, I suck. I suck a lot. Kitty, be quiet. Bro! Did I kill somebody? No. How am I still first? Look at this! Everybody's so good! I literally only have an AR. Everybody has snipers, shotguns. I'm just a little bot with an M16, I'm pretty sure. Or an M41. Look at this! Look at this dude! It's crazy! He shot me through the wall, bro. Like, really, bruh? And then look, somebody's hacking. Oh, we lost. Rish was so good. Menu. Shop. These look so bad. I'm not even kidding. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this episode here.
You thought you wanted me to go, or why you trying to keep